Hi everyone, this is the Rare Big Bird Express Kiddie ride.
Please press the start button.
So this is it. Wow.
S is for steam.
There used to be one at Waves Amusements in Staten, but it's now gone.
B is for big bird.
Hi everybody, it's me, Big Bird.
S is for steam.
This looks fun. There's Elmo and Big Bird. The only thing for the homebrew makers.
S is for steam. A is for alphabet. Can you say it with Big Bird?
A, B, C, D, E,
There's Basil Brush and Arthur.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
One, whistle.
Big Bird is pretty massive. It's quite massive. I don't know if this is going to give me 3 guys or not.
S is for steam.
Which one haven't I done?
C is for choo-choo, the sound of this train. Have another ride soon.
And that was...
Press the
Oh,
start.
I've got another ride, but anyway, that was the... what was it again? Fun2Learn Big Bird Express Kiddie ride.